Welcome, my friend, to the Tainment channel. Have you ever used Snapchat or Instagram filters? Have you tried Pokémon Go? If so, you've already used one of the most exciting technologies today: augmented reality. Imagine being able to see the furniture in your home before you buy it, or learn anatomy by seeing human organs in real life, or even see your car repair instructions displayed right in front of your eyes. In this video, we'll show you how augmented reality works, what its applications are in our daily lives, and how it will completely change our future. Get ready, because this technology is coming with a bang. What is augmented reality? First, let's clarify the concept. What is augmented reality? Augmented reality, AR, is a modern technology that adds digital elements to the real world through smart devices, such as phones, tablets, or smart glasses. Unlike virtual reality, VR, which transports you to a completely digital world, augmented reality maintains your real environment, but adds information and interactive elements to it. Imagine, for example, that you look at your phone and see a virtual table appear above the ground as if it were really there. That's augmented reality. But how can your phone or smart glasses do that? How does augmented reality work? There are 4 main stages that make the augmented reality experience possible. 1. Environment recognition. Your phone relies on the camera and sensors to scan the surrounding environment and recognize surfaces and objects. 2. Data processing. The processor combines real data with 3D digital elements. 3. Displaying digital content. Virtual objects are projected onto the screen so that they appear as if they are part of the real world. 4. Interacting with objects. You can interact with virtual objects, such as rotating, moving, or resizing them. A practical example? Open the Google Lens app on your phone, point it at any object, and you will see information about it directly. Augmented reality applications in our daily lives. You may think that augmented reality is just a technology for entertainment, but in fact, it is used in many practical areas. Let's take a look at some of its most important applications. Shopping. Have you heard of applications like IKEA Place? It allows you to try out furniture in your home before buying it by placing a 3D digital version of it in the place you choose. Games. Pokémon Go is the most famous example, where you can catch Pokémon in the real world using your phone's camera. Education. Students can see 3D models of various subjects, such as human anatomy or the history of ancient civilizations. Medicine and surgery. Surgeons use augmented reality glasses to see internal organs during surgeries, which increases the accuracy of operations. Industry and maintenance. In factories, engineers can use smart glasses that display repair and maintenance instructions directly while working. Augmented reality glasses, the future of technology. Currently, most augmented reality applications rely on smartphones, but in the future, smart glasses will be the dominant ones. Microsoft's HoloLens. Smart glasses that allow factory engineers, surgeons, and designers to interact with virtual elements in the real world. Apple Vision Pro, the latest augmented reality glasses announced by Apple, promising a unique experience for work and entertainment. Challenges facing augmented reality. Despite all the advantages, there are still some challenges that hinder the full spread of augmented reality, such as high cost. Augmented reality glasses are still expensive and not available to everyone. Battery life. Applications that rely on augmented reality consume the battery very quickly. Privacy concerns. Some users are concerned about data collection while using the camera. But as technology develops, these problems are expected to become less influential over time. How about us? Do you think this technology will become an essential part of our lives soon? Tell us your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to receive all the latest news about the world of technology.